Welcome back to day 2 of building a marketing system for home service businesses that will help them add 2 to 10 new clients every single month on autopilot sustainably without breaking the bank. Yesterday we kicked off this journey and today we're getting straight to the foundation, defining your audience. One of the biggest mistakes that you might be making as a home service business owner is trying to market to everyone. But when you know exactly who you're trying to reach, your message becomes 10 times more powerful and you start to close more deals. Today I'm diving into how to identify your ideal client. Who are they? What do they struggle with? What are they searching for online? This step will set the foundation for everything else moving forward. Your content, ads, or even how you connect with them. If you want to take action and do this with me, join my private group where I'll be walking through the steps. Inside the group, I'm sharing worksheets, tips, and feedback to help you define your ideal audience and tailor your marketing for maximum impact. So click the link below and join the group to follow my journey and build your marketing system together. Trust me, you don't want to miss this.